something we're gonna unbox.
Yeah. So today I'm going to unbox the Scrubby. So here you can grab it. So we got a pink marker and a blue one here. No. Now we got the Scrubby where got this. And we got like, what's this? We got like a cat thing, I don't know. It's soft and the texture is good. So yeah, let's move on.
Hey, it's Daisy. So I got a Lego minifigures. I am hoping to get anything but this one. Because what am I going to do with that, right? Okay, so I'm going to start unboxing it now. Let's see if I can open it like this. Ooh! I think I know which one I got. Okay, so judging by this body, I think we got this one right here. Looks so cool. And it comes with, I think that's a cucumber. Okay, let's build it. Sorry about my voice, I'm kind of sick today. Okay. Let's see this. It's a checklist. So this is a list of all the ones you can get. This is the one I have right now. If you have any name suggestions, just comment them down below. What is a blurry? Yeah. Okay. So first, we have to do this. If I can find that. Oh, maybe we should start with the hand. Okay, that's not even... This isn't even a tutorial. It just tells you what to do with the other ones. Okay, so I'm going to start with the legs to the body. There's short legs. There you go. Now the head. Put it like that. It has two faces, smiley and more smiley. Okay, we're going to put on his little mask. I think this is a hamster. And now going to put him on here so he has a little stand. There. Now I'm going to make him hold this. There you go. Now the other one, the other cucumber. I think this is a cucumber. Try to put this. There you go. This is our little hamster dude. This is our little hamster dude. He's got cucumbers. He's holding cucumbers, and he's gonna eat them. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. Okay, that's it for today's video, and now it's time to end it. Sorry if it's short. We'll make a new one soon.
I'm Katelyn.
And I'm Daisy. And we're Katelyn and Daisy. Thanks for watching. Bye.